In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch Netflix with friends in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your call, share your screen the right way, and make sure everyone hears and sees the show clearly. First, get your Zoom call going. You can start a new meeting if you're hosting or join one that someone else has set up. Once you're in the meeting and everyone's connected, make sure your microphone and speakers are working so you can talk while you watch. A laptop or desktop usually gives you the smoothest experience. Next, open Netflix in a web browser. Have the show or movie you want to watch loaded and paused at the start. Keeping it ready to go will make the transition seamless once you begin sharing. If you use multiple browser windows or tabs, keep the one with Netflix easy to identify so you can select it quickly in the next step. Now in Zoom, click the Share Screen button. It's the green icon along the bottom of the meeting window. This opens a panel showing all the windows and tabs you can share. You'll also see important options that affect how your video and audio look and sound to your friends. Before you pick the screen to share, turn on Share Sound and Optimize for video clip. Share Sound ensures that the audio from Netflix is sent through Zoom so everyone hears the movie, not just you. Optimize for video clip adjusts the screen share for smoother motion and better playback, which is especially helpful for fast-moving scenes. These options typically appear at the bottom of the selection window, so take a moment to check both. Finally, select the specific browser tab or window that has Netflix and click Share. Choosing the exact tab helps protect your privacy and keeps the focus on the video. Once you're sharing, press play in Netflix. You can go full screen in the player for a more cinematic feel, and your friends should see it fill their Zoom window. If anyone mentions choppy playback, a stable internet connection on both sides is key, and keeping other heavy downloads paused can help. Some streaming services limit how protected content appears when screen sharing. If you encounter a black screen or blocked video, that's often due to content protection. That's it. Start or join your Zoom meeting, open Netflix in your browser, click Share Screen, check Share Sound and Optimize for video clip, then choose the Netflix tab and share. Enjoy your watch party and have fun together.